3, 2, 1.
When my thoughts get loud, try to fight it. So I drink it down till my body learns to breathe you out of my story. But it gets blurry in between. We hit a dead end. Every time we're swimming, you make sure it's sinking. In the deep end, why do I dive in? Every time we're sinking, down, down, down. In the deep end. Till it all goes dark.